Hey everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you how to make essential oil inhalers for yourself, for your friends, your family. They are great. So they are these little tubes and they have 4 parts. So this is the cover and you can take the cover off, and then this is the part that you use to inhale. There's a little hole at the top, and then at the bottom there's a big wide hole. And that's where you put your little organic cotton wick soaked with essential oil. Goes right in there. And then there's a little cap, and that goes on the bottom and snaps in. And that's it. They're so easy. And really the only tools you need to make this are your essential oils and a little cup and your inhaler. And then I like to use a little tweezer for facilitating taking the cotton out of here and putting it into the inhaler tube. That's it. It's really simple. So let me show you how I do it. I'm going to take the cotton and I'm going to put it, take this one out, I'm going to put it right into this little bowl. And then I'm going to use 3 essential oils. Mandarin, love that beautiful fresh green mandarin smell. Black Spruce, that is just beautiful for opening your sinuses and if you're congested. And then we're going to use Balsam Fir, which is another great conifer oil to help open up your sinuses, to relieve pressure, headaches, congestion. So this is a nice inhaler for the winter. If you want to prevent yourself from getting sick, or you're already sick and you need to reduce some of that stuffiness in here, this will be great. All right, so I'm just going to bend down and we're going to put the drops of essential oil right on top of the little cotton wick. So I'm going to start with my mandarin. Now I already know my recipe. I'm going to do 5 drops of each. But if you didn't, you could go drop by drop and smell it in between and make sure you got just the right ratio of essential oils. I've made this one lots of times before, so I already know what I want to do. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 drops of the mandarin right on top of the wick. There you go. And then I'm going to use my gorgeous black spruce. Just smells like being outside in a fresh forest. I love that. And I'm going to put 5 drops in here. 5, okay. And then I'm going to use my balsam fir. That just smells like the trees. Just absolutely fresh and gorgeous. Really piney. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That came out fast. They often come out fast, so you have to be careful. All right. So then I am going to take my tweezer and I'm just going to move the cotton all around in here to soak up all the essential oil that I put in here. And then I can pick up the wick, and this way I don't have to use my hands. And I can just take my tube and place it right in there. So easy. And then I have my cap, and I'm going to just put that on, and that just snaps into place. And voila, you have your inhaler. It's so great. So you just use it like this. You close one side, and it just opens everything up. It's amazing. You're going to love this. And then it's your private inhaler. You can keep it in your pocket. You can carry it around with you. You can use it privately. No one else smells the aroma of your blend. And it's even great for kids that are old enough to handle it, like 5 or 6 years old or older. They can have their own inhaler. They can use it just when they're ready to use it. And I like to use inhalers for things like reducing congestion, easing up tension that might come from an infection, a sinus infection, or a cold or flu. They're great to use to help reduce anxiety or for car sickness. I like to use peppermint or ginger in one of these to reduce car sickness. For nausea, to calm nausea. They're great for supporting sleep or for being uplifting. So lots of options here for making inhalers. And I have a lot of inhaler videos right on this YouTube channel. So check it out if you want to learn specific recipes for different issues. You're in the right place. All right, everybody, take care. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.